In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Teams display name. Whether you're customizing your profile or simply correcting an error, updating your display name can be done in just a few simple steps. Let's make sure that everyone sees the correct name when you interact on Microsoft Teams. We'll start by navigating to the Microsoft Teams account homepage. Open your preferred web browser, then type in the URL or search for Microsoft Teams login. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct account, as this process will update the display name across all linked Microsoft services. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen and locate your profile icon. This is typically represented by a circular icon, which might show your initials or a profile picture. Click on that icon, which will display a menu with several options related to your Microsoft account. From this menu, seek out the My Microsoft Account option and click on it. This will direct you to your Microsoft Account settings page where various details about your account are organized and accessible. Once you're on the account settings page, direct your attention to the top navigation menu and find the tab labeled Your Info. Give it a quick click. This section consolidates all the personal information Microsoft has on file for your account, including the current display name you're aiming to edit. Within the Your Info section, search for the Edit Name option. It's here that you'll be able to update your name details. Click on Edit Name, which will allow a new form to appear. This is where you'll input the new version of your display name. Enter both your desired first name and surname into the respective fields. Double-check your spelling and ensure that everything appears exactly as you want it displayed across Microsoft services. Once you're satisfied with the changes, look for the Save button, typically located below the name fields. Clicking Save will finalize your updates and ensure that the new display name is registered with Microsoft. It might take a few moments for the change to propagate across all services, including Microsoft Teams. And there you have it. Your Microsoft Teams display name should now reflect your updates. This ensures consistency across your interactions and presentations, helping others easily identify you within the application. If your name still appears unchanged, give it a little more time, or try refreshing the app. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep your digital identity just the way you want it.